Let's talk projects. Whether you're building a new app, launching a marketing campaign, or even organizing a community event, projects are all about getting things done, on time and within budget. But here's a truth bomb. The most brilliant plan can crumble if the team behind it isn't working together like a well-oiled machine. Think of it like this: a fantastic investment strategy needs a disciplined and coordinated approach to yield the best returns. Similarly, project success hinges on strong teamwork. Now, you might be thinking, teamwork? Sounds like fluffy corporate jargon. But trust me, as someone who deals with numbers and bottom lines every day, I can tell you that effective teamwork isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a fundamental driver of efficiency, reduces costly errors, and ultimately boosts the project's financial health. When a team clicks, communication flows smoothly, problems are solved faster, and everyone pulls in the same direction, minimizing wasted resources and maximizing output. So, how do we cultivate this magical teamwork in our project management endeavors? It's not about forced bonding exercises or trust falls. It's about building a solid foundation of clear communication, shared goals, and mutual respect. Let's break down some practical strategies you can implement right away. 1. Laying the groundwork: clear goals and roles. Imagine trying to navigate a ship without a destination or assigned tasks. Chaos, right? The same applies to projects. The very first step in fostering teamwork is ensuring everyone understands the project's objectives. What are we trying to achieve? Why is it important? What does success look like? Furthermore, clearly define each team member's role and responsibilities. Who is doing what? Who is accountable for which deliverables? This eliminates confusion, reduces overlap, and ensures everyone knows their contribution and how it fits into the bigger picture. Think of it like a company's organizational chart. Clarity in roles prevents internal friction and promotes accountability. 2. The power of open and honest communication. Communication is the lifeblood of any successful team. It's not just about sending emails. It's about creating an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing ideas, raising concerns, and providing constructive feedback without fear of judgment. Establish regular communication channels, whether it's daily stand-up meetings, weekly progress reports, or dedicated online platforms. Encourage active listening and ensure everyone has a voice. When information flows freely, potential problems can be identified and addressed early, preventing them from escalating into costly delays or rework. Think of it as transparent financial reporting. Everyone is aware of the situation, allowing for timely adjustments and informed decision-making. 3. Building trust and psychological safety. Trust is the bedrock of effective teamwork. When team members trust each other, they are more likely to collaborate openly, share vulnerabilities, and support one another. Psychological safety is closely related. It's the feeling that you can speak up, take risks, and even make mistakes without being penalized or humiliated. As a project manager, your role is crucial in fostering this environment. Lead by example, be transparent in your decisions, and create a culture of respect and empathy. Acknowledge contributions, celebrate successes, and view mistakes as learning opportunities. When team members feel safe and valued, they are more engaged, motivated, and willing to go the extra mile. This translates directly into higher productivity and better project outcomes. 4. Embracing collaboration and shared ownership. Teamwork isn't just about individuals working in parallel. It's about working together. Encourage collaboration by creating opportunities for team members to brainstorm, problem solve, and make decisions collectively. This fosters a sense of shared ownership and responsibility for the project's success. Break down silos and encourage cross-functional collaboration. When different perspectives come together, you often get more creative and innovative solutions. Think of it like diversifying an investment portfolio. Different assets bring different strengths and can mitigate risks. Similarly, diverse skills and viewpoints within a team can lead to more robust and well-rounded project outcomes. 5. Effective conflict resolution, turning challenges into opportunities. Disagreements are inevitable in any team setting. The key isn't to avoid conflict but to manage it effectively. Establish clear guidelines for addressing disagreements and encourage open and respectful dialogue. Focus on finding solutions that benefit the project as a whole, rather than individual wins. As a project manager, you may need to act as a mediator, facilitating discussions and helping the team find common ground. When conflict is handled constructively, it can actually lead to stronger relationships and better decision-making. Think of it as navigating market volatility. A calm and strategic approach can turn potential losses into opportunities for growth.